Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm going to talk about baby fall and injury, how to take care of baby, what are the signs in case you have to worry or hurry to the hospital, what are the signs or symptoms which tells you that your baby is absolutely fine. All these details will be included in the video. So please don't forget to watch this video till the end. If you are watching a video on my channel for the very first time, I would like to inform you that on this channel I share lots of baby food recipes, kid-friendly recipes, and recently I have started to post baby care videos like these as well. So please consider subscribing so that I can keep making videos like this. First 12 months is very crucial for your baby because the baby is now learning to move, crawl and walk, and the chances of head injury is more during this period as well. The skull is very delicate, so in case a baby falls, the skull can get broken. There can be tearing of blood vessels, there can be a brain damage as well. Now, if there was a fall and your baby is completely normal, it cried for a while but the baby was consolable and there are no signs which I am going to tell you further, there is no need to worry. The signs which you have to check about would be there is no loss of consciousness, vomiting, no bleeding in ear or nose, a baby is not losing balance while crawling or walking, baby is absolutely fine, then there is no issue as such. You should observe that there is no swelling in any soft part of the skull. Also observe for any ocular changes, especially the baby's eyes pupil would vary from one eye to another. One would become big in case of any issues, or there would be strong movement of eyeballs. So all these signs, if you can negate, there is nothing as such, then don't worry about it. Now, as I explained, there are none of the signs being observed in your baby and baby is absolutely playing well and it's normal, then need not worry. But still 24 hours would be very important. You will have to keep a keen watch on your baby. Things like in case your baby is going to bed, normally if it is waking up in 2 hours but now it is a prolonged sleep, then there is a matter of worry. Even if you try to wake up the baby is not getting active, is not fine as it used to be. Again, yes, you have to worry about it. If you find a seizure in baby, then immediately make the baby sleep on a side, pack your bag and take baby to the hospital. If you observe anything abnormal, like baby is fussing to eat, baby vomits the next day, or crying and not consolable, then again you will have to ensure that you rush to the hospital. Prevention is always better than cure, and there is no way that you will want this to happen. So ensure that after you know the baby is starting the movement, gross motor skills are developing, that is after 2-3 months, the baby should be on the floor, which is really going to be safe for a baby. If not, if there is no option, then there is something called as rails, which is available online, bed rails. I'll leave below the link in the description box. You can purchase that and fix it to your bed so that the baby is safe. And please avoid multitasking. With a baby, I understand if you are in a nuclear family, you don't have any option, but baby's safety comes first, right? So please avoid multitasking. When the baby is sleeping, then you can do your work. And yes, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share. And let me know what sort of videos you would like to see here. The next video I am going to post is about a tummy massage, a digestion massage it is also called as. So if you want to get notified about that video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.